one is our friend Susie.
Okay.
With the pop-up shop. I bought the top hat from her years ago.
Right, on season 1.
Yeah, and then we totally became friends after that.
Yeah.
And so she moved shop and I helped her set up and move some stuff around and do all that. So anyway, she every 2 weeks she has a sale at her shop, and she's picking the rest of the time. So anyway, this weekend is one of the weekends.
Okay.
She's having a sale. So I thought we should go and check it out.
Yeah. So where is it then?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Brick
So
building.
where do I park?
Right here.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah. Hello! Where's everybody?
I know.
Was it busy yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, you look so cute. Look at these are up for printing. The printing things from 1922 from Eaton's. Do you want those? I think we could frame them.
Yeah. Okay.
I think that'd be pretty cool. Yeah. Do you like them?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I know, that's pretty neat, eh?
I just don't know how they made them embossed.
I know.
Yeah.
And that after they did, maybe they used the other side.
Yeah, I think they pushed down on the other side.
But
They must have, because the words would have been black. Mm-hmm. Right? This side's just dirty, maybe. Oh. Oh, aren't those cute, hey? Aw.
They're pretty rough around the edges, but I
But
think
maybe
they'd be-
in an oval frame they'd be okay, right? Because then you don't use a lot of
wouldn't
this.
need all of that.
Yeah.
But she reminds me of the little girl that you gave me in the.
Sort of, yeah.
frame over
Yeah. Yeah, do you think we should take these home?
They're pretty neat.
Yeah, they are
They're
pretty
pretty
neat.
unusual. I've never
Yeah.
seen them.
And they're, yeah.
So this is the
Eaton's.
printing card
Yeah.
that they would have made the newspaper or the catalog or whatever with.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
calls it something the 12 plates.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can't read the rest of it upside down here, but
And then what about these? Do you think they should,
That's your thing.
For
The prints.
because they're, but for the oval frames,
Yeah.
because they're
If you think you can make it fit.
kind of damaged on the corners.
So something funny I'm just noticing is this portrait of this dog here. That is awesome.
I
So
know.
isn't that
I'm assuming that's pretty old, actually.
Yeah, it's-
So somebody who was, because that would have been a lot of money. So somebody who had a lot of money and was rich back in the day and just loved their dog.
Yeah.
Had to have a portrait done. That's awesome.
I call him Mad Red Dog
Mad Red Dog.
because he doesn't look like he's really, friendly.
No, he's
No.
kind of got a bit of a
Well,
don't
those
mess
dogs
with me
usually
look on
aren't.
his face.
They're
eh?
they like one person.
Ankle biters.
Yeah.
And he was pretty well fed.
Yeah.
So, what do you think?
I don't know. No, I don't know. And I'd have to, see if our frames are that big.
I'm in such a hurry. Okay, take care.
I wonder.
Want to cut your lawn?
How do you want to bring me trade?
It's up to you.
Claims she saw murder happen. Woman gives evidence saying she watched murder of Reverend Edward Hall and his choir leader.
Oh my gosh. What is it? What is the date on it, or does it say?
1922 on this one.
Oh, yeah.
1922,
Oh
October
my goodness,
25th.
that is 97 years old.
Oh, look, this is from Moose Jaw.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
The Times.
And this is
Herald-
the Globe, Toronto, 1922, August 19th.
Wow.
Times third.
Is that what that is?
So that says third, but
Third something.
yeah, I don't know what the part that's.
The markets, that'd be interesting. All of that is royal watching stuff, and that pocket knife I think is from the original Coronation. I think
wow.
1958. You can take the.
Don't
welcome to
don't
take the
don't
dog
encourage him to touch anything glass.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing.
But apparently they handed out those little pocket knives to all the men, and the ladies would have gotten the spoons.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I had been thinking, I'd have brought the
The
stuff from the garage sale, but another time.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah,
Another
just
day.
tuck them away and
Yeah, they're just down here.
yeah. Okay.
Future trade?
Yeah,
Is that what's going on?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's money? It just pays the rent.
Yeah.
Okay, Susie.
See ya. Thanks
Well,
for coming in.
Yeah, I hope you get all kinds of customers, and at least I know you'll be open because
See you later.
it's raining now. So
All right, bye guys.
see you. Yeah, it's raining.
We've got this.
Yeah. So that you can hear if somebody comes in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Hey guys, thanks for coming with us again on yet another great picking adventure. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It sure helps to support our channel and push this video out to people who don't know about us yet. And if you haven't yet subscribed, click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it means that you'll get notified for every new video we put out. Thanks again. We love you guys. We love reading your comments, so if you like to comment, put a comment down there too. We'll see you next time. On to the next.